How to change the password on Roblox when you forget it. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to change the password on Roblox when you forget it. First, open the Roblox app on your mobile device. Then tap on More from the bottom right corner to open the menu. Now scroll all the way down and tap on Log Out. A pop-up will appear. Tap on Log Out again to confirm. You will be taken to the login screen. Here, tap on Sign In, and right below the login fields, tap on Forgot Password or Username. You will now see a screen asking for your recovery details. Enter your email address linked to your Roblox account and tap Submit. Roblox will send a password reset link to your email. You can also choose to enter your phone number if that's connected to your account. If you're unsure of your saved password, go back and use Touch ID or Face ID to open your phone's saved passwords. Search for Roblox in the list and select it to view your saved login credentials. Now go back to the Roblox app and log in using your new password. Once you're logged in, tap on More from the bottom right again. Then tap on Settings and select Account Info. Here, you can double-check that your account email and phone number are updated for future recovery. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.